Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today we'll be looking at the MidTen rifle bipod. So you're going to receive the bipod in this brown box here. And here's the MidTen 6 to 9 inch rifle bipod manual. You can get it in carbon fiber or aluminum finish. See, here's the pre-use instructions, also all the parts and features, and also the product installation. Very simple to install, and how to use and extend the legs here. All right, let's take a closer look at the MidTen rifle bipod here. Currently have this installed on a Mossberg Patriot in 6.5 Creedmoor. So it's really easy to install. It installs where the swivel stud is located at the front of the handguard here. It's tightened on by using this here. So you just turn that to the right once you hook both the sides through the sling point. And then to move this down, just move it manually. And so in this configuration is going to be 6 inches. And then by pressing down here, you can have it at the maximum length. Super positive spring ejection there. Very stable. So you can see pushing down on it, it's not going anywhere. Very stable, so when you're doing your long rifle shooting, so definitely come in handy. And of course, if you want to shorten this, you can just hold and press this button here. So you only want a few clicks. You can do that. That's what it looks like here. And again, very stable. And just to put it back, you just flip this forward, and that's the way it looks here. Of course, you can still compress it all the way down, but very nice. This is a finish here, the carbon fiber. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.